Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this USB mini lapel microphone from Fifine. As usual, I'm going to have a close look what's in the box, look at the microphone specifications and see if this microphone is indeed any good. So stay tuned. Welcome back to returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Click subscribe, hit that bell button to stay tuned and alert on new uploads too. And guys, I really would appreciate that. With the new 1000 subscriber rule coming out soon on YouTube, every single one of you guys really do count. For more info on this YouTube change, click the video link in the description below later on, with more information on this YouTube change coming in February. Now before getting to the unboxing, I'd like to say a big up to Tony from Fifine Technology for sending me this microphone today. I have done a few reviews on my channel before on a few microphones you might find interesting, and I may add that I've always tried to give you my truthful and most honest opinion on each and every microphone I have reviewed. In addition, I'd like to leave a link in the description down below of the Fifine company. They are dedicated in microphone technology and do have some interesting stuff that may suit your needs. But without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Woo! Get to the fast forward mode. And this microphone comes in a snazzy little box, but what's in the box? So you'll find some instructions and setup. One Lavalier Lapel USB microphone that comes well protected in foam. The microphone itself that comes with a windshield included. The cable, which is the length of 2 meters, that's around about 6.5 feet. The cable itself comes with a sturdy and robust metal clip for shirts or ties. And I'm happy to confirm that this microphone indeed does come with a 1-year full warranty from the Fifine company, which is fantastico. I'm going to be testing this mic out on the PC today, so all I really need to do is simply insert the USB into the computer, wait for the PC to recognise the mini mic, and because this lapel microphone is plug and play, it doesn't take long for the microphone sync to be completed and ready for use. If your microphone doesn't set up automatically, don't worry, just go to the control panel if you're using Windows software, click hardware and sound, then go ahead and click sound, click the recording tab at the top of the window, then locate the USB PNP audio device, then right click and then click enable. From here you will be able to set your microphone level using the level tab at the top and setting up your microphone to your desired level. So let's go ahead and do the first sound test. This is just for distance and quality. Even though this is a lapel microphone, I just want to see what the best option is for the clearest audio pickup before the sound starts to get distorted. One way you like to test this is by doing the arm length test, by repeating specific words and numbers while moving the microphone to and from the mouth. This will enable you, yes you the viewer, to have a better insight and understanding of the review of this microphone. Yeah baby, yeah! So let's head up and pay attention, Daniel-san. Piggity T1, tickety P2, Piggity T1, tickety P2, Piggity T1, tickety P2, Piggity T1, Piggity T2, Wiggity wee poo, I need a number 2. My first impressions up to now, after quickly playing back the voice record, is that I think this mic really does have pretty clear audio. And I do think that the audio reproduction does fit in the range of 50 to 1600 Hz frequency response. But as it's a lapel mic, I feel compelled to at least test this mic out, so let's just attach this mic real quick using the lapel clip. Hello you beautiful people. Well, with this microphone attached, I'm going to speak freely so you guys at home can hear and judge the audio for yourselves. As the camera nicely pans around the microphone, ooh, nice! I just let you guys know that you can connect your headphones and speakers via the 3.5mm jack output from the stereo audio output on the USB. This microphone is great for Mac and PC as a built-in sound card, and it's great for voiceovers, live streaming, YouTube videos, Skype, Twitch and much more, just like this now. As mentioned, you can use the 3.5mm audio jack output on the USB to use with speakers or headphones. If you're using Windows, once again, go to the control panel, click hardware and sound, then click sound, then go to the top and click the playback tab. Now from here, go down to where you can see the PNP audio device, hover over it, right click, then enable the USB to be your main audio output. In addition to this, while you're in the sound settings, if you'd like to use your microphone through your speakers live, then go down to where it says PNP audio device, right click, then choose properties, and when the window opens up, click the listen tab, and then simply click the listen to this device box. This will now make your microphone live.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be dancing around. Oh, interference.
Well, it's about that time. Once again, what would give this item a rating out of 10? Will this Fifine mini lapel microphone be worth a buy or not? Is it rubbish, is it cool, is it rated cold or hot? So there's only one thing left to do, and if everybody's in the place, let's go! So what would I give this Fifine KO53 mini lapel microphone out of 10? Drum rolls please! I'm gonna give this microphone 9 out of 10. And the reason why I give it 9 out of 10 rating for this microphone, not just the full 10, is because I do have some pros and some cons, which I'm now going to go into. This microphone has really decent quality and I'm pleasantly surprised about what I thought I was going to expect. Like I said before, I always try to give my most honest review, even if the product is good or bad. But I'm so glad to confirm that this microphone is far from that, and it's definitely worth a buy. I actually own 2 lapel microphones like this one, and the cable length is only half the size of this one. Trust me, every time I've moved the laptop aside and stood up maybe from the laptop or the PC computer, I've ended up dragging out the cable from the socket and walking off with this lapel microphone still clipped onto my shirt. And so basically this microphone is an actual bonus with the length it is. And with the plug and play and the instructions that are very straightforward and easy to use and understand, these are just some of the reasons why I give this rating a 9 out of 10. Now for some of the cons about this microphone. Well, I've took some of the questions that have been answered on the internet about can you use this microphone on a PlayStation, can you use it on a tablet, and can you use it on a mobile phone. Well, I answer 3 of those questions right now. PlayStation 4 is a no. It doesn't work with a USB. You try plugging it in and it won't power up because maybe the voltage, I'm not too sure. But on the tablet, it can be used on a tablet, but then you need a USB to mini USB attachment. Now I don't know about other mobile phones, but I tried using USB to mini USB attachment that I used on the tablet, but this microphone does not work on my Samsung mobile phone. And lastly, just one very slight con about this microphone, which took my verdict to 9 out of 10, not 10 out of 10, was maybe just a 3.5mm cable that should really come with the whole unit. With the price being what it is, which is $14.99 from Amazon, I just thought maybe they should have just included the cable for free. So guys and girls, as usual, I'll leave all the links in the description down below for where you can buy this microphone from, along with other suggested products and any specifications that I may have left out. And just a quick reminder, please hit that bell button if you've already subscribed to stay alert of my new weekly uploads. And as usual, please share, please smash that like button, and please subscribe. Peace! Stay tuned and alert. You know what to do. Click that. Click that subscribe button.